Hey there, it's Jonathan, and I wanted to walk you through what comes in the Alpha Dev Kit because I realize not everything might be super clear. So, on the inside, you have 6 or 12 blinks, depending on which you backed for. This up here, in this top corner, this is our programmer, and I'm going to show you how that gets hooked up. So on one side of it is a USB, and that jack goes like so. So that's one connection. On the other side of it, this part, that's what we use our programming jig for, and that connects like so. So you'll connect that there. And then the way that works is this piece magnetically sticks on top of the blink, and so that's how that'll be programmed. And of course the other end of this, the USB, will go into your computer. In a moment I'll show you how you program the blink from the Arduino IDE using this hookup. There's still a couple more things inside of this box, so let's take a look. So one of your blinks should have one of these little adapters on it. And what that's for is that's for if you want to print out to the console any messages to help you debug your code. And so to do that, we have this little Molex cable. It kind of works like a little umbilical cord and connects, let me see if I can do it the right way. So this should connect here, and then the other end goes right onto here. And so when this board is connected like so, you can, they're magnetic, so nice. These two boards come together, and this is an adapter once again for USB, and so that can be plugged in and this end will go to your computer. So with a blink hooked up like this, it's perfect for serial logging, so if you want to print out statements from the blink and help debug your code. But you don't need to do this for programming your blink. The programming happens with this jig, and you don't have to disconnect the serial while programming, that's okay as well. So let's take a look at what it looks like to program a blink. So now I'm going to show you how to, on your computer, get set up to program the blink. So remember, we just put together this, and we're going to plug in our programmer via USB, so I can do that right now. Let's see. Okay, so this end's gonna go into my computer, and this will light up. Make sure that the programmer is set to not to power target. We don't need to power the target. There's a little switch here, but no power is necessary. Each blink has its own battery. So you should have by now put the blinks library into your Arduino hardware folder. And once that's there, you launch Arduino. And from the top left, let me actually adjust so you can see this. So up here in the top left, in Tools, you're going to select your board type, and your board type is going to be a blinks tile. And your programmer, if you installed the Fast Blinks programmer, you can select that here, or you can select USB Tiny ISP. Both of those will work, just the Blinks programmer works a little faster, so it'll save time when you keep uploading sketches. So I'm going to leave those, and let's see what a first Blinks sketch could look like. So we can load one of the examples. All of the examples are up in the top under examples, or we can write a quick sketch. So let's go ahead and in our loop put an if button down set color red, else set color off. So in this sketch, only if the button is down should the color of the blink be red, and otherwise it should be off. So I place the blink under the program jig, and then I press upload. It'll ask me to save my sketch. Sure, that's fine. It automatically names it with the date. And let's see. An error occurred while uploading the sketch. My gut sense is that the contact just wasn't perfect. So I'm gonna press upload one more time, and I just apply a little bit of pressure on the top of the programmer, and it says done uploading. And so let's see what happened. So if I press down, we get red, otherwise off. So if you want to change that code, you can change it here and go through the same process and just upload. That's all you need to do to get going with programming your blinks. All right, hope that helps.